Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Bluetooth to your Q50. First, for safety, please ensure your vehicle is stationary and securely parked. Next, grab your smartphone and activate its Bluetooth feature, making sure it is discoverable. Then, on your Q50's infotainment screen, locate and select the menu button, followed by Settings to begin the process. These initial steps are crucial for a smooth connection. Now that your vehicle and phone are ready, let's initiate the pairing. Within the Q50 Settings menu, you will find and select the Bluetooth option. From there, choose either Connect Device or Add New Device on the display. Your Q50 will then begin scanning for nearby Bluetooth-enabled devices, which should include your phone. This step prepares your car to recognize your personal device. To finalize the connection, look for your phone's name on the Q50 screen and select it. A pairing code, typically a 4- or 6-digit PIN, will appear on both your phone and the vehicle's display. Verify that these codes match exactly, then confirm the connection. Your phone may also ask for permission to sync contacts and messages. Please grant this access for full functionality. You are almost connected. Congratulations, your phone is now connected. You can enjoy hands-free calling and stream your favorite audio directly through your Q50 sound system. Your Q50 can remember up to 5 different Bluetooth devices. If you ever encounter connection issues, a simple restart of both your phone and the Q50's infotainment system often resolves them. Enjoy your enhanced driving experience with seamless connectivity.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.